Hi, welcome everyone. Malay here. Today I will discuss in this video how email campaign analysis report empowering you to better understand performance trends over the past 7 and 30 days. Through this statistic analysis, you will get the conversion summary report such as order placed, total revenue, order rate, and average order value at a glance. You will get the engagement summary that's delivered, email, opened, clicked, and order metrics for deeper engagement analysis. You will get the performance analysis, or track metrics, trends over time include sent, opened, clicked, and unsubscribed email. Through this analysis, you will get the top performing email or recent email analysis. Access the 10 most recent emails for in-depth analysis. So, we'll go into the deeper how it will be done. To get this report, we have to go to your sub account. Under sub account, you'll have to go to your marketing tab. Under marketing, you will get the email, and under email campaign, you will get there is campaign and statistics. We will go to the statistic one, where you can find the last 7 days performance, last 30 days performance. Through this statistic section, we can know the conversion summary, that is revenue, order rate, average order value, total orders, and then engagement summary, the email like, opening them, clicking links. We can get the statistics of performance analysis. What number email user have sent, unsubscribed, how many email unsubscribes, and how many email bounced. All the information we'll get from this statistic, performance analysis statistics. Then open rates, top performing emails, all this information, most recent emails, all this information we'll get this statistic tab.
If you want to get the statistics, you have to make your email builder permission on. To do this, you have to go to the lab section under setting, that is lab builder. When you will get that email builder dashboard. If you want to see your dashboard in your email campaigns, in your statistics section, you have to permission on. Then you will get the statistic in your email campaign statistics dashboard. Thank you.